Hello, my name is Linda Beauvais, and I'm the author of a book called The Gabriel Principle, and I am also dyslexic. And a lot of you will think that how can that be possible, a dyslexic person writing a book? Well, it's actually quite possible. And I'd like to talk to you about what it's like to be dyslexic, because a lot of people don't know what it means and all that. And it's taken me a long time to understand that I was dyslexic because when I was young, they didn't have that kind of specification for different children and all that. And when I was young, basically, I thought, I don't know, I cannot learn this spelling and reading like everybody else. And I thought, geez, I, I, I must be not as intelligent as other people. And for a child, that can be pretty sad because it's not good for your self-esteem. And then when you realize that there's a reason for that, that you couldn't read and you couldn't write well, and there was spelling mistakes all the time. And it's because lots of time is because you try to rush and try to just guess what the word is because you're more into going syllable, writing phonetically. Whenever there is a silent letter or a GHT or W or um, being dyslexic, you don't get that at all. You don't know why there's an extra letter there and the grammar, why there's an S and usually there's not an S and all that. So being dyslexic, and it's just that you might look at a word, you do see it right, but when you get to spell it, you don't remember the order. I before E, GHT, could that be GTH? That's the kind of thing that you just don't get. And the thing is that eventually the reading will get better. The spelling takes a little bit longer to get. Now, how do you write a book? Well, nowadays, you could be very, very good at telling a story, at having your own way of writing the story and making it interesting. You just can't spell it that well. And nowadays, with the programs that help you spell, and you can hire somebody to correct. There is people out there that can help you do that. So you can have a bestseller and still be dyslexic. And that's a misconception that you should really know that you can do it. And the more you read other books, the more you're going to get it. Now, one of the things that a person that is dyslexic, when they go to school, what they need is more time to do exams. Okay. Um, Even if you're doing a math exam, if there's a problem that needs to be read, it'll take longer for a dyslexic to read it and to understand the problem. Okay? When you write and you're a dyslexic, sometimes you forget words. A not instead, and it changes the whole phrase when you forget one word. A dyslexic will have a hard time dialing a number and have wrong number all the time because you switch the numbers. Um, Also, the right and the left, you got to think, okay, yeah, this is, I write with my right hand, therefore this is right and this. So as you grow older, you get to have some tricks. And I used to say, geez, I don't know, there's little wires in my brain that just doesn't connect. And it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You could live with it, and you are actually, I discovered this later, that I wasn't stupid, that I was smart. And I excelled in geometry, and I excelled in all kinds of different fields. And it didn't really matter if I was dyslexic. So if you are dyslexic, hey, why not? Write that book. You can do it. Okay? All right. Thanks. Bye.